Can you really fall asleep in just 2 minutes? Imagine drifting off that fast. No more tossing and turning. Today, we're revealing a U.S. Navy secret that could be the solution to your sleepless nights. Ready to learn how to snooze on command? Let's dive in. You could call it How to Snooze on a Cruise, or maybe crash softly and still be ready for takeoff. But jokes aside, this technique is the real deal. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fall asleep anywhere, anytime. Do you struggle to fall asleep? Do your nights feel like an endless cycle of tossing, turning, and racing thoughts? If so, you're not alone. Sleep is crucial for our health. But millions of people around the world suffer from sleep disorders. If that sounds familiar, keep watching. This Navy trick might be the game changer you need. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tips on living life on the bright side. How much sleep should we really be getting? Knowing this can help you figure out if your current routine is working. Babies need around 16 hours of sleep, teenagers about 9, and adults should aim for 7 to 8 hours a night. But with over 50 to 70 million U.S. adults suffering from sleep disorders, it's clear we're not getting the rest we need. Are you one of them? Insomnia is the most common sleep disorder, and it can wreak havoc on your body. It leads to hormonal imbalances, weight gain, irritability, memory issues, and even headaches. But here's the good news. The U.S. Navy has a solution that could help you fall asleep faster and sleep better. The U.S. Navy needed their pilots to fall asleep anytime, anywhere, even in stressful conditions. After 6 weeks of training, this technique worked for 96% of pilots. Imagine being able to fall asleep under those conditions. Let's break down the 5 simple steps to fall asleep in just 2 minutes. Ready? Step 1. Relax your face. Lie flat on your back and start by relaxing your facial muscles. Let go of any tension in your tongue, jaw, and even the muscles around your eyes. If you notice you're frowning, focus on smoothing out your forehead. Can you feel the stress melting away? Step 2. Drop your shoulders. Next, drop your shoulders as low as they can go. Feel the release? This will also relax your neck. Then, move to your arms. Let them go completely limp, one at a time. Pro tip: if it's tough to relax, try tensing your arms briefly, then release. Don't forget to relax your hands and fingers too. Step 3. Focus on your breathing. Take a deep breath and relax your chest. As you exhale, imagine the tension leaving your body. Feel your lungs filling up with air, then letting it all go. Step 4. Relax your legs. Now, it's time to move to your legs. Start with your thighs, then let the relaxation travel down to your calves and all the way to your feet. Notice how heavy your body feels. Step 5. Clear your mind. This final step is key. Now that your body is relaxed, it's time to quiet your mind. Lloyd Budwinter, who created this technique, suggests using visualizations to clear your thoughts. Picture yourself lying in a canoe on a still lake, with nothing but clear blue sky above you. Or imagine you're snuggled in a black velvet hammock, suspended in complete darkness. Can you feel the calm settling in? If these images don't work, try this mental trick. Repeat to yourself, don't think, don't think, don't think for 10 seconds. Are you feeling sleepy yet? This technique has a 96% success rate after just 6 weeks of practice. Imagine being able to fall asleep instantly. Whether your kids are running around, you're on a noisy plane, or your mind is racing about tomorrow's to-do list. What would it feel like to wake up refreshed every single day? With better sleep, you'll be more productive, handle stress like a pro, and have the energy to enjoy life. It's amazing how something so simple can make such a big difference. The best part? You don't even need a bed. When Navy pilots practice this technique, they often did it while sitting in a chair. They'd place their feet flat on the floor, rest their heads in their hands, and let go. Don't be discouraged if it doesn't work right away. The pilots practiced for 6 weeks before they mastered it. If you're having trouble, here are some extra tips from the U.S. Army. Cut down on caffeine, especially in the afternoon. Remove distractions like TVs, phones, and laptops. Head to bed when you feel tired. Don't force yourself to sleep if you're not ready. Start unwinding at least an hour before bed with relaxing activities. What do you think? Will you try this tonight? Let us know in the comments if this method works for you. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your best life. See you in the next video.